Dear friends, I hope everyone is fit and fine, and we are all working from home and we are quite busy. I hope everything is going well with everyone. I have come up with a short sentence after a very long time, and it is obviously from Bible. So let us hear. As a deer longs for a stream of cool water, so I long for you, O God. I thirst for you, the living God. When can I go and worship in your presence? Now, this sentence is telling us that how can we go near to God? How can we worship Him? How to adore Him? How to glorify Him? Now, things have been so imperfect. Every day of our life has been a rush. Now we are working from home, so we are sitting at home. But even at this moment, how many of us are really giving time? World seems to come to an end. Everything is so haphazard, and we see that things are going so ridiculously, and we have been just trapped in between these natural calamities and different disease, sickness, and therefore we are really very tired and worn out of these. But how many of us do remember God in this time? The Bible is saying that as a deer longs for a stream of cool water, a deer who's living in a jungle, and there's no water nearby, and it's just waiting for the pool. It's just waiting where it could get a little water. So, how are we longing for God? Only when times of trouble comes, only then do we remember God? No, we should remember Him at every moment. We should think of Him in every step we do. We should call His name. That will be the greatest blessing. We don't need to go to priest to bless ourselves, but every time you remember God is the greatest blessing. In this days of staying at home, we are not going to church. We are not allowed to go because there is mass gathering. Mass gathering is not allowed, so we are not going. But are we also making an effort to pray at home? Are we watching the Sunday masses at home? These are a few questions for you. Are we praying the rosary every day? Are we really praying for this dangerous disease, what is happening nowadays, this corona? Or we are just enjoying the fun, staying at home and not going for work, being lazy lumps and getting up late in the morning, doing everything in a very ill-mannered way. So how can we remember God? God is calling us, come children, come to me. He calls each one of us by our name. We have to listen to Him. We have to answer His call. Only then He will receive us. So there has been times, dear friends, I have suffered a lot during my trainings. I had just waited when my training will get over because there were so many things which was so tough for me. Like, I did not know how to speak Nepali, but whereas when I went there I had to learn, and then I had to write exams in Nepali, that 200 marks. It was really very tough for me, but when I really pray and ask God for certain things, He is really helpful. It might be late, I have to put in my own effort, but it's not that He doesn't help. He is always there to encourage us. We have to go to Him. We have to tell Him that, God, please help us. That little bit of saying that help us is enough. He is surely there for us. Anyways, this is what I wanted to say, a little bit of thing. Maybe I did not say it in a perfect manner, but I think it will come in some use when you think over and you really sit down and listen to this. You feel, yes, there is something we have got to know from you. Anyways, have a good day, dear friends, and if you have really liked the video, you can like the video and also subscribe the channel. Thank you, dear friends.